Welcome to Adelina Arts Gallery. Let's start the video.
3, 2, 1.
like this video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Type of drawing by combining mandala and doodle art. Please let me know in the comments how you like this tutorial part 1 video. Thanks for watching, guys. Part 2 video is coming soon. To watch part 2 video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.